Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earning disclaimer. WOLFBOX MF50 Compressed Air Duster 110000 RPM Super Power Electric Air Duster, 3-gear adjustable mini blower with fast charging, dust blower for computer, keyboard, house, outdoor and car. Powerful turbo fan. WOLFBOX MegaFlow50 electric air duster reaches speeds of up to 110,000 revolutions per minute, effectively removing dust and debris. It features 3 adjustable speed settings to suit different cleaning tasks. Economical and reusable. Built from durable materials with a long-lasting battery, the WOLFBOX MF50 is a sustainable alternative to disposable air cans, enhancing your cleaning experience. Portable and lightweight. Weighing only 0.45 pounds, this compact air duster is easy to carry. The included lanyard ensures convenient use both indoors and outdoors. Wide application. WOLFBOX MF50 electric air duster comes with 4 nozzles, making it suitable for a variety of scenes, such as PC, keyboards, or other electronic devices. It also serves well for home clean and car duster. 3.5 hours fast charging. WOLFBOX MF50 electric air duster recharges in just 3.5 hours with a... Thanks for watching and subscribe.